Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a licensed Vision Mains 365 account, admin permissions, and a prepared sample dataset. Log in, then grant camera and microphone access so live features work. Once done, open the import tool and upload your sample with the correct label schema. This prevents errors later. Make sure to choose the right workspace and check storage quotas. If you skip that, training tasks may fail. Now you're ready for dataset validation and initial processing. Next, you validate and clean the data. Vision Mains flags duplicates and inconsistent labels. Repair them to improve accuracy. Then select a model template and tune hyperparameters: learning rate, batch size, and epochs, explaining why lower LR stabilizes training. Configure augmentation to increase robustness and pick evaluation metrics that match your use case. Once configured, start a short test run to verify setup. If that succeeds, schedule full training with regular checkpoints so you can roll back if needed. To finish, monitor training dashboards and review validation curves. Export the best model when metrics stabilize. Deploy to a staging environment and run real-world tests, collecting feedback to refine labels or tweak thresholds. Make sure to automate CI for model updates and use checkpoint restores if a run degrades. If things go wrong, retrain after cleaning labels, reduce the learning rate, or increase checkpoint frequency. That single troubleshooting move often recovers unstable models and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.